Hello and welcome to the latest trades and tutorials video. This is Jeff Fish, president of MarketGauge.com, and in this quick video I'm going to take a look at the market that I think is likely to be the next big market move, and I'm not so sure everybody's expecting it out of this market. Before I get into that, however, if you just found us on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you're not already aware of where you find more videos like this, you can find them at marketgauge.com/tutorials. And of course, you can see all this in HD by changing your settings down below. Okay, so let me just go to the right chart. All right, so here's the market that I don't think, while people are talking about it, I don't think people are talking about it in this respect. And that is the extent to which this market is compressed. I'm looking at the bonds, long bonds. I'm looking at the TLT ETF, and it's as simple as this. Over the last 10 days, if you look at the 10-day consolidation, this is as tight as this thing gets. And when markets compress like this, they generally lead to large moves. Now, to make that even more explosive, you could see that you've got a very typical wedge pattern. Now, when you get really close to the end of a wedge like this, it's often subject to head fakes in either direction. And also, this magenta line is the 50-day moving average, and the 200-day is the gray moving average. So you're wedged between the 50 and the 200 at the end of a wedge, and your 10-day compression is as tight as we've seen. So here's another example of compression, right? But even this was not as tight. And I really have to go all the way back to maybe right here where we get the same level of compression, and again you can see that led to a substantial move, as did this. And then the other place that really sticks out is right here. All right, so as you can see, this doesn't happen very often for this long. I count 10 days. I suppose another area might be back here. All right, but you can see after these periods of compression, the market tends to pick a trend. And to layer on top of all that, we've got a 2-day Fed meeting that ends tomorrow. Now, everybody is pretty much seems to agree that the Fed's not going to make any move on rates, but everybody will be watching or listening to what they put out in terms of their statement. So keep an eye on the TLTs. As I said at the beginning of this video, I think that it deserves a lot more attention for an upcoming big move in either direction than most people are giving it. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.